Understanding an IRS CP14 notice. Let's talk about something that can make your heart skip a beat. Getting a letter from the IRS. Specifically, let's talk about the CP14 notice. Has one of these shown up in your mailbox? It's that official-looking envelope that says you owe the IRS money. Before you start imagining the worst, take a deep breath. You're not alone, and it's more manageable than you think. Today, we're going to break down exactly what a CP14 notice is, why you got it, and what you need to do next. No confusing jargon, just straight talk. So, what exactly is a CP14? Think of it as the IRS first official tap on the shoulder. It's a notice of tax due and demand for payment. Basically, the IRS has processed your tax return, and their numbers show you still owe them some money. This isn't an audit or a legal summons, it's simply a bill. The reason you get this is actually written into law. The Internal Revenue Code says that if you have an unpaid tax liability, the IRS has to send you a notice stating the amount and demanding payment. They're required to do this, usually within 60 days of assessing the tax. Okay, so you've opened the letter. The first and most important rule is, don't ignore it. Shoving it in a drawer and hoping it goes away will only make things worse. The problem will grow, with more penalties and interest piling up. Let's look at what's inside. You'll see the tax year in question, the total amount you owe, and a due date, which is typically 21 days from the date on the notice. You'll also see a breakdown of that total amount. This is really important. It's not just the tax you didn't pay, it's also got some friends with it, penalties and interest. The penalty for failing to pay on time is usually 0.5% of your unpaid tax for every month it's late, and this can go up to 25% of your total bill. On top of that, there's interest, which is like the IRS charging you for the loan you didn't ask for. That interest gets calculated on the tax and the penalty, so it can add up fast. So, what are your options? You have a few, and you're in the driver's seat. First, pay in full. If you agree with the amount and you have the money, the easiest thing to do is pay it off by the deadline. This stops the penalties and interest from growing. The IRS has a bunch of ways to pay online, so it's pretty straightforward. Second, you need more time. What if you can't pay it all right now? The IRS is actually more flexible than you might think. You can ask for a short-term payment plan, which gives you up to 180 extra days. Or, if you need more time, you can set up an installment agreement to make monthly payments. You can even do this online. Third, you disagree. What if you look at the notice and think, wait a minute, I already paid this, or, this amount doesn't look right? You have the right to dispute it. This is where you'll need to do a little homework. Find your bank statements, a canceled check, or any proof of payment and contact the IRS at the number on the notice. And on that note, there was actually a little hiccup recently. In mid-2025, the IRS even sent out a statement saying that due to some processing delays, they had sent out CP14 notices to people who had, in fact, already paid. So, mistakes can happen. If you're sure you've paid, don't panic. Just be ready to show your proof. So, let's recap. You got a CP14 notice. 1. Don't ignore it. 2. Read it carefully and understand the amount and the deadline. 3. Decide how to respond. Pay it, ask for a payment plan, or dispute it. 4. Communicate. Whatever you do, keep the IRS in the loop. Getting a CP14 notice is a solvable problem. It's a notice, not a judgment. By taking clear, proactive steps, you can handle it and move on. I hope this helped demystify the CP14 notice for you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next video. Sign up to watch the free video, the ultimate guide to solving your IRS tax problems. It is a comprehensive, no-nonsense guide that reveals everything you need to know about dealing with the IRS and fixing your tax issues.